Black, I'm back again, attacking MC active venom factor, and you send you to a tip, you rap again. Rappers get in accidents, see sacrilegious afterthoughts are lacking. I will smack them, but the smashing is a master cleanse. Soak up in it, though I've been it. Potent centered, I deliver. Open such, you double such, you must be spoken dust and cigar punch. Hit our dope, it's healthier, you live more months than years. Competition is none within our circumference is clear. I'm time to get her done for citizens and anyone that's listening. My rhythm sons, your little uninventive shit is done. Come learn a little wisdom, little ones. Get turned up with precision, get a ton of inner shit. Begin your trip to visions. Uncharted, come started, run forward, one worded. A time is so funky in here, you think somebody fought it. Come forward, unorthodox style, you think the floor would come crashing in from after when these raps is christened your hood.
We on fire tonight, we on fire tonight, we on fire tonight. We on fire tonight, we on fire tonight, we on fire tonight. Come on. We on fire tonight, we on fire tonight, we on fire tonight.
Burn the scene of flames, turn to me and say, heard you be obeying your thirst when you burst them seas with flames. Keep your dang little comments to yourself or you might just see the same. I am the heat miser, miser of heat, my heat will reign. Seek and keep your lane, the lane I'm in is an illegal lane. Keep your sane, thoughts of insanity, you don't wanna see no pain. Be your way, I'm me forever, I don't really see no way. I'll conform to what is hot presently, I'd rather keep my range. I'll seek the strange patterns, range roving up in your brain with mathematical, radical, sabbatical, agile talent that'll battle you lames. After you came, you left with a loss of breath and stabbings and pains, and your neck and chest.